Hello mga ka-adult, how's everything today? You know what I'm saying. So, ayun na nga, medyo pause-pause pa yung boses natin. Medyo morning voice pa tayo because of the event last night. And I just wanted to update you guys with thingies. Things. So, medyo yung vocal cords talaga natin ngayon is hindi pa siya na-exercise. Exercise. So yun na nga, the event was nice. It was successful. Amazing people. I met the usual faces, new faces, and I'm happy. And you get a chance also to perform there. And I met um Ati Pab. What? Ati Pab? Charis. So, um may napansin lang ako kagabi sa event, like, very unusual siya para sa akin ha. Kasi usually 'pag nag-a-attend ako ng event, hindi naman gano'n. Pero na-amaze lang ako dito sa kanila na after ng event, sila talaga yung naglilinis. Nagha-housekeeping sila dito. Like, literally with, uh, with people na, for example na lang if maganda yung suot, like super, super porma, kagalang-galang, nagka-gown like that and everything. Naglilinis talaga sila girl. Like literally, na-amaze ako. So, yun lang. Just want to share those things. Maybe, di ko lang alam. Baka pumasok din sa isip natin mga bagay-bagay. Anyways, nag-isip naman ako ng something. Hindi ko maintindihan ng aking sarili kasi paminsan-minsan. Pero anyways, mga ka-adult, may gig tayong pupuntahan ngayon, may event. So, good luck sa akin. And keep on watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to spread love and kindness. Huh? Enjoy your day and um, happy weekend. See ya. Bye-bye.